Pauwi ka na ng ano?
Pinas.
Pauwi ka na sa Pinas. Nasa Pinas lang. Ay, baliw ka.
Ba't ka mag-email?
Dali na. Oh, may sasakyan. Dali. Oo, baby. Babay Palawan. Oo. Babay Palawan na? Oh, laki oh. Oh, laki oh. Good evening.
Manila po, welcome aboard.
Saan tayo? Tingnan mo yung seat natin kung ano. Bibi. Yung seat natin, anong number? Yung seat natin. Ayan, 28F. Sa dulo pa. Sa hulihan tayo. Aroy.
To increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it to